studying this for 400 years.
I will fight in his name, but I ask him to spare my wife.
Hello and welcome to Cine Select. 2025 has been a complete delight for sci-fi fans, ranging from nightmarish workplace and alien invasion to galactic conflict and bizarre futures. This year offered more than simply spectacle. It delivered thoughts, emotion and universe that stay long after the credits have rolled. These are the best new sci-fi shows of 2025 that stretched limitation, reinvented existing franchise, and showed that great science fiction remains the most intelligent approach to looking into our uncertainties, expectation, and the future gazing back at us. Number 10. Invasion. Season 3 extend Apple TV Plus long-running sci-fi narrative by increasing the global alien danger while at last connecting its various narratives together as those who survive across the world realize that the invasion is more than just a physical takeover causing mankind to adjust or be wiped out. The season gives the story a stronger start than earlier season by delving deeper into the mythology behind the extraterrestrial, examining their hive-like mind and enigmatic motivation. While the show continues to prioritize atmosphere and sentimentally over continuous action, season 3 has been killed as the most intense and satisfying chapter yet, presenting greater stakes, enhanced pacing, and a greater clarity of plot. Number 9. Foundation Season 3. Season 3 of Apple TV Plus' massive sci-fi saga plunges the cosmos deeper into turmoil as the fragile order, foretold by Harry Seldon's psychohistory, start to unravel with the mule emerging as a surprise danger with the potential for destroying the planet completely. This deepens the psychological implication for characters like Carl Dornick, Salvor Hardin, and the cloned Cleons whose hold on power becomes more precarious. This season broadens its scope considerably by moving across time periods and star system to examine rising conflicts between the Foundation, the collapsing empire, and new powers that don't fit well into scientific prediction. Season 3 remains one of the television's most cinematic shows with vast space opera grandeur, eye-catching set design, and an unsettling vibe that mirrors the story's gloomy twist. Number 8. The Eternaut. It is a 2025 Netflix sci-fi series based on the classic Argentine comic novel. The show takes place in Venus series, where the majority of mankind is wiped out by an unexpected devastating snowstorm. Ordinary people led by Juan Salvo must band together to survive as a much more horrific otherworldly presence gradually becomes apparent. The show emphasizes trade, unity, rebellion, and society's vulnerability in the face of uncertainty while fusing traditional invasion sci-fi with rooted human drama. It stands out as a cerebral, creepy, and socially meaningful sci-fi series that strategies moods and propose over relentless action, making it one of the 2025 finest genre releases. Number 7. Pluribus. It is a post-apocalyptic science fiction drama created by Vince Gilligan. The main character is a novelist Carol Sturka, one of the few individuals who are resistant to enigmatic virus that has turned almost all of mankind into a pleasant interconnected community. As Coral refuses integration and attempts to find what lies underneath this imposed unity, the series weaves dark comedy, psychological conflict, and logical inquiries concerning distinctness, joy, and independence, with Sehorn's performance solidifying the psychological and thematic impact of the story. The show has already been renewed for a second season ahead of its season 1 conclusion in December, making it one of the most notable science fiction series of 2025. Number 6. Star Trek Strange New Worlds. Season 3 features Captain Pike and the US Enterprise crew members as they deal with fresh moral quandaries, first contact situation, and personal difficulties that put their bond and values to the test. The season alternates between complex sci-fi adventure and calmer character-centered moments, further establishing Pike's impending fate, Spock's emerging personality, and the crew's building friends, all while playing with tone and genre without sacrificing its essential Star Trek optimism. Although certain episodes are not as powerful as the show's greatest moment, Season 3 has bold writing, powerful performances, and an openness to take artistic chances. It solidifies Strange New Worlds as one of the most consistently entertaining Star Trek series in recent times, appealing to both seasoned fans and newcomers. Number 5. Alien Earth. It is a 2025 sci-fi horror series developed by Noah Hawley. The show broadens the Alien film universe by setting in the year 2120. 2 years prior to the start of Ridley Scott's 1917 Alien film, where an unknown deep spaceship breaks down on Earth while a new type of being, a hybrid named Wendy, and a group of military soldiers discovers an ominous threat that might destroy humankind. The 8-episode season pushed the franchise lower in unexpected ways while combining strong world building, powerful struggles, and battles between cyborgs, synthetics, and hybrids, and terrifying contacts with alien life species. Although the show's stirring plot, powerful performances, and the excellent production values are great, the pacing and characters from the classic Alien formula are inconsistent. But for enthusiasts of sci-fi, Number 3. Stranger Things Season 5. Season 5 goes back to Hawkins in the wake of the upside-down collision on 11 and the core cast encounter their most deadly fight yet with the future of their hometown as well as the world on the line. Number 2. Murderbot. Number 1. Andor Season 2. Season 2 follows Cassie and Andor's transition from a cautious survivor to a fully determined rebel, spanning the 4 critical years building up to the Rogue One film. Every episode demonstrates how the dispersed flame on revolt solidify into a coordinated opposition to the Empire. The season intensifies its concentration on political manipulation, espionage, and ethical negotiations, integrating Cassian's more risky missions with Mountain Strain, On Mon Mothma, Luan Reel, and Imperial officials such as Dedra Meero.